Are you a local service business looking to attract more customers in your area? Let's talk about the most common SEO mistakes that could be holding you back, and how to fix them for better local search rankings. First, don't ignore your Google Business Profile. Many businesses overlook this powerful tool, but keeping it updated with your correct business name, address, phone number, and services is essential. This helps you show up on Google Maps and in local search results, making it easier for customers to find you. Next, make sure your business information is consistent everywhere online. If your phone number or address is different on directories like Yelp or Yellow Pages, search engines get confused and may lower your ranking. Always double-check that your details match across all platforms. Another mistake is skipping local keyword research. Instead of using broad terms, think about what your customers actually search for, like plumber near me. Use these keywords on your website and service pages to attract the right local leads. Don't forget about your page titles and meta descriptions. Including your service and location in these elements helps users know you're relevant to their needs and encourages them to click. Finally, keep your content fresh and locally focused. Outdated or generic content won't engage your audience or help your SEO. Write about local topics, industry updates, and tips that matter to your community. By avoiding these common SEO mistakes, you'll boost your visibility, attract more local customers, and grow your business.